What is up, YouTube? And today I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be really short, so let's just get through it. I'm gonna show you all my fidget toys I have. Alright, let's just get it through. First ever fidget spinner. First ever, second, third, fourth, fifth. Alright, I'm just kidding, I'm just playing. This is a pink. Rose gold. Don't assume it's a pink. It's because I said it was pink, but let's ignore that. Alright. Look at it. Alex, if Cool Boy M is watching this, he's in my class. If Cool Boy M is watching this, you should get it. You should get it. Much cooler than, you know, the regular one I have, and this one. This video is gonna be like 4 minutes, so I don't really want to drag it out, but that's how long I want the video for. If you mind. Right. Yeah. Shoot, that would hurt if I hit my hand. Gold one. It's still spinning. Look at the camera. Look, it's still spinning. Yeah, still spinning. Yeah. Go up one. Oh. Shoot. Go up one. Boom, 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 shaka, boom, shaka, bow. And fidget cube. Alright. I'm about to end this video. I'm sorry the video is only like 2 minutes long. But I'm gonna do a gameplay video today, and the gameplay video is gonna be much longer. Probably gonna be like 6 or 5 minutes. I don't know what the gameplay is gonna be, but I'm gonna make a gameplay video maybe today, because all my other, like most of my videos have been game related, and yeah. Oh. Ow. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think I just lost it. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, wait. Oh my. Yeah, I'm about to end the video right now. I'll see you guys in the next in the next video. Alright, a good bye. Wait, I'm not gonna end the video yet. See this? This is something a friend made me. You know what? Pick a color. You pick green, alright? Green. Yeah, pick a number. You pick 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pick another number. You picked 8. Okay. You are crazy. You're crazy because you watched me. You're crazy because you watched me. You might as well click off this video right now, because it's like millions of people you watch. Okay, pick another color. You picked blue. Okay. BLUE. Pick a number. You picked 6. You picked 2. Alright, 1. Wait, you picked 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You picked 4. Alright, see. Let's see what we have in store. Get it? 4 store. Okay. Spell country. Spell country. Yeah. Yeah, just spell it. Spell it. Yeah, you spelled it right. It's like you spelled it wrong. It's, you know what? I think you spelled it right. I don't know. One more. Pick in the pictionator. Wait, I think I messed it up. No, guys. No. Bad boy. No. Okay, pick one more color. You got green, blue, or red. You pick the red, alright? R-E-D. Pick a number. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick a number 7, right? You pick 7? 7-Eleven? You love SML. SML is Super Mario Logan. Yeah. Make one of them. Make one of these. Alright, guys. This right here wants to say goodbye. Goodbye to all of your ugly faces. Oh, okay, I'm just playing. But goodbye, guys. Okay, alright, guys. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, okay. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.